Hi, I'm Carol Angrisani. If you've given up ice cream due to the fat and calories, it's time to reconsider. That's because plenty of rich, creamy, yet better-for-you flavors are available in your grocer's freezer. There's been a revolution of sorts in the ice cream aisle with all the new, higher protein, lower calorie options. Plus, we have another edition of How to Shop Smarter. Today, gather your dirty clothes because the topic is how to shop smarter for laundry detergent. All this and more when we come back.
One of the most famous sculptors in the world is the Thinker. For ages, people have wondered exactly what he was thinking about. Some say he's thinking about the meaning of life. Others say he's contemplating the billions of stars and planets in the universe. But we know better. The Thinker is pondering how to save money at the supermarket. The answer, of course, is quite simple. The answer is store brands. Those great products that retailers offer with their own brand on it. Just as good as more expensive national brands, but better prices. Now that's not so complicated. Store brands. The Thinker knows.
Welcome back. New better-for-you brands are giving ice cream lovers good reason to enjoy another scoop. These brands boast fewer calories, less sugar, and higher protein than traditional ice cream. They're rich and creamy, yet have about the same amount of calories in a pint as a single serving of regular ice cream. This is one new better-for-you light ice cream. It's appropriately called Smart Pint because it has up to 68% less sugar and 54% fewer calories compared to other ice cream. It's part of the Stone Ridge Creamery ice cream brand that's available at more than 500 stores, including Cub Foods in Minnesota and Illinois. This comes in several yummy flavors, including peanut butter banana swirl and caramel cookie crunch mint chip. The best part? Each has under 370 calories per pint. Next, it's time to rise and shine with a bowl of gourmet cereal. Just as you may be treating yourself to specialty sauces, soups, and dessert, the time is right to make your first meal of the day more special as well. How would you like to start your day with a bowl of rolled oats mixed with white chocolate pieces, matcha powder, freeze-dried strawberries, chia seeds, grated coconut, and cinnamon? Those are the ingredients in this box of Cerealology. It's a line of chef-inspired gourmet cereals. This is exclusive to the H-E-B supermarket chain in Texas, and it features cereal blends made with premium ingredients. Other decadent flavors in the line include cinnamon mocha and fruit maple crunch. So get a bowl and some milk for a truly special breakfast. Next, let's shift over to house cleaners. Are you looking for a more eco-friendly way to keep your home clean? If so, you might choose natural cleaners or paper towels made with recycled paper. Here's another example of an innovative product to help you clean your home in a more sustainable way. It's a refillable glass cleaner from online grocer Brandless. Once you purchase the bottle, you simply pop in one of these concentrated cleaning packs, fill with tap water, shake, and spray. The cleaning solution is non-toxic and free from dye and ammonia. This means less plastic and reduced shipping costs due to the lighter weight of the empty bottle. This comes in several fresh scents like cucumber mint, summer breeze, and lavender. Along with glass cleaner, Brandless has similar concentrated cleaning packs for bathrooms and granite countertops. Speaking of household cleaners, up next, I'll tell you how to shop smarter for laundry detergent. We'll be right back.
Washington, Jefferson, Adams. You can read the founders' names in the history books, but one name that you may not find is Selwyn Douglas, spelled with 2 O's. While the others may be the fathers of this country, Douglas was the father of store brands. There, in his small shop in Concord, Massachusetts, he sold food and beverages, household necessities, and health remedies. You could buy directly from the big barrels inside his store, or choose the things you needed from his shelves. They all came with his store's guarantee of quality. They were priced fairly, too. And when he wrapped up your items, he signed his name right on the packing paper, so you would always know where you bought things. That was the beginning of retailer store brands, and it hasn't changed in over 200 years. Store brands. Thank you, Selwyn Douglas.
Welcome back. Laundry, one of the most dreaded household chores. The never-ending pile of clothes that need to be cleaned. The right type of detergent can make the process a lot easier. A good laundry detergent removes stains and odors with minimal effort on your part. But the many different types of laundry detergent can be confusing. There's liquids, pods, even a few powders remain. So let me break down some of the main types of detergent. Single-load detergent pods like these are convenient to use. No need to measure, pour, or deal with a heavy bottle. Simply toss one into your washing machine and turn it on. Some brands even have detergent stain remover and color protectant in one small pod. Next, a growing number of detergents are like this one, perfume-free and dye-free. If a member of your family has allergies or sensitive skin, this type of detergent may be for you because it doesn't contain dyes or perfumes that might irritate sensitive skin. And these brands have plenty of power to get dirt, stains, and odors out of your laundry. You'll also see plenty of so-called oxy detergents. These are detergents that come with color-safe bleach alternatives. Next, a small but growing number of detergents are plant-based. These cleaners typically use plant-derived enzymes to remove sweat, oil, and dirt from your laundry. Many brands are free from phosphates, sulfates, petrochemicals, animal byproducts, and more. Let's move on to high-efficiency detergent. These detergents have pretty much replaced regular formulas. AT detergents can be used in any type of washer. They produce less suds than regular detergents. They need to be used in water-efficient models because regular detergent produces too many suds for those types of machines. Next, cold water detergent. You can use up to 50% less energy by washing your clothes in cold water. Cold water detergents contain cleansing enzymes designed to work better in cold water. Finally, here's a tip. Many liquid detergents contain concentrated formulas and require just the right amount of liquid per load, so it's important to use the measuring cup provided and fill it to the dosing line. Too much liquid will cause an overload of suds and the soap may not rinse out when the cycle ends. Likewise, if there's too little detergent, your clothes won't get clean. So remember, use the detergent as directed. Thanks for watching. Want to keep track of these and other new products and new ideas? You can read all about them in my monthly newsletter at StoreBrandsUSA.com. It's free and I'm happy to send it to you. Just email me at carol@StoreBrandsUSA.com.